Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are looking at another LeetCode question which is same tree. Now this is similar to a question which we did earlier which was symmetric tree which was this is down you can find that on the top right corner. Now what the question says is that I have been given two binary trees, we need to just say that whether they are same or not. What we mean by that is if you look at this binary tree, if you see this nodes are same, uh, the left child and this child are same, and this child and this child are same. If this everything turns out to be true, I need to say yes, they are same. Similarly, if you look at down below here also, if you see both are matching to each other, but in this case, see, this was your left child, but here in this case it's a right child, so hence it's not a same tree, because if one node is having a left child as number 2, then this should also have a left child as number 2. Hence, considering this is not the overall, this is not a these two trees are not same, right? I hope you got a fair idea here. Let's look at another example just to be ensure. To be sure, if you see this, right, this is also not a same tree, because if you see these are like mirror images to each other in a way, but they are not same to each other, because ideally my two should have been here and one should be here to make it same, right? With this, I think let's quickly get on to the code. We are going to use recursion, and what we're going to do is first see whether uh, first check whether the boundary condition is same or not. So if q is null and my p is also null, I'll say yes, they are same. I'll say return true, right? However, say one of them is not null and the other is null, I'll have to say they are false. So say if this is null or q is null, p is double equal to null, I'll say return false, because one of them is null and other one is not null. Now here is the fun part. What we are going to say is we need to see whether q dot val is equal to p dot val, right? This is a straightforward condition. Now what we're going to say is, considering now we compare the root nodes, right? We have now just compared the root nodes. Now we need to compare the left child against the left child and right child against the right child. What we're going to say, we are going to call the same method, and in this place I'll say p dot left comma q dot left, and similarly I'll say this same tree p dot right comma q dot right. I hope you got a fair idea what we're trying to do. We just compared the root nodes. Now we are going to compare the left nodes and then also the right nodes. If by end of the days, right, if end of all the iterations, if it we are returning, so this turns out to be true, we'll obviously return true. And if any of these conditions doesn't match, then I'll return false, right? So with this, let me quickly run this. It got accepted. Let me submit it. Cool, it got accepted. In case you still have any questions, any doubts, please do reach out to me in the comment section. In case you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.